Elijah, what's your Bible verse?
In the beginning, God created a heaven and earth. Genesis 1:1. The name is Genesis. She's a stranger, is she?
Genesis is a book, honey. It's a book in the Bible. It's the very first book in the Bible. Can you say your Bible verse really loud?
I'm a beginning, God created Genesis and heaven and earth. Genesis 1:1.
Oh, that was very loud.
Did you tell me to say that loud?
Mhm.
You did?
Mhm. Is there anything else you want to sing to me?
No, not today.
Do you want to say anything to Gran?
No, not today.
And give her a kiss?
No, not today. We can get something grand tomorrow, okay?
Okay. Say Gran can see me.
Tell Gran to see me. No, I'll tell him tomorrow.